Hey guys, it's Abby, and in today's video I am going to be revealing and reviewing the new Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial Mask. I was so excited when they dropped this product a couple of weeks ago. I went right to the store to get it, and honestly it has not disappointed. I already know I love Drunk Elephant products. I use them in my skincare all the time. I had complete faith in this, but it blew my expectations out of the water. Before we really get into this, I just wanted to clarify that my throat is still really sore, and that is why my voice sounds so rough. So the back of the packaging says, "This cooling, quenching overnight mask plumps and restores with an electrolyte cocktail while strengthening the skin's acid mantle. With a blend of barrier replenishing ingredients including niacinamide, sodium PCA, plant squalane, 5 forms of ceramides, omega fatty acids, and powerful antioxidants, F-Balm effectively rehydrates hungover and overly parched skin, making it soft and supple. Tiny beads loaded with antioxidant-rich vitamin F explode during application to deliver extra emollients and soothing hydration. In addition to restoring the balance of hydration and moisture levels in skin, F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial can improve signs of damage, uneven tone, and texture." So I will show you what the product looks like. So this is the F-Balm. It comes in this really cute blue packaging that would look great on your bathroom counter. I will say the mask is $52, which I know is pricey, but for a Drunk Elephant product, that's a super good deal. I hadn't looked at the price point when I went into the store, and I was expecting it to be more along the range of $70 to $90 because that's what their products of this type typically go for. And it was only $52, which I understand is a lot of money, but for the quality that you're getting, that is a super, super great price. So its suggested use is to apply 4 to 5 pumps of F-Balm as the last step in your nighttime routine. May be worn to bed as an overnight mask. Also can be mixed with any Drunk Elephant serum or oil when the skin is extra thirsty. And when you get this F-Balm, it also comes with a little tiny sample of the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, and this is the first product I ever got from Drunk Elephant, and it is what made me fall in love with the brand. So I was very excited to get this, and I have tried mixing these two together and they work great. I'll talk more about that in the video. It says to apply 4 to 5 pumps. I think that 3 is really pretty accurate in covering your whole face, unless you're doing really little pumps. 4 to 5 seems like a lot. So the reason this video is going up a couple weeks after the product came out is because I wanted to really test it for you to give you an accurate review. So I have put this on my face about 4 times, and then I also did it with the Framboos Glycolic Night Serum as well. On its own, when I woke up, my skin felt super moisturized and hydrated. And I live in a super cold area, as you might be able to tell by the fact that my throat is sore. And my nose area tends to get really dried out in the winter time. And I noticed that when I used this mask, it like really hydrated that area, and that did not happen. So I really, really appreciated that about this. The mask is super hydrating, but I notice it doesn't clog my pores up either, which is really important to me because sometimes you can get a product that's super, super moisturizing, but it also clogs your pores. So after a couple of uses, you can usually notice that, and I did not pick up on that with this at all. I honestly have nothing negative to say about this product. I am so excited about it. It's so hydrating and moisturizing. So I'm going to insert some clips of myself applying the mask, and then I'll show you my skin right after I put it on, and then again in the morning when I wake up. Hydrating and moisturizing. I highly recommend it. I don't think it's a necessity or a need. So if you already have something in your skincare routine that you like that's very moisturizing for your skin, this is not necessarily something that you need to go out and buy. Do I recommend it? Yes. Do I think it's amazing? Yes. But it's not something that you absolutely need on your shelf if you have something in that category that already works for you. I think it's a super great product and I highly recommend it. I'm just saying you don't need to go out and buy it if it's not something you were already in the market for. But if you're looking for a hydrating mask, I would highly, highly recommend this one. If you guys want me to do a whole Drunk Elephant video, I would love to do that for you guys because I own so many of their products and I love them. By the way, this is not sponsored by Drunk Elephant, but Drunk Elephant, if you want to sponsor me, I'm your girl. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do end up trying the F-Balm, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.